Hello there, and today I thought we'd have a look at the Ericsson T20e. So there's have a look at him then. There he is. Who remembers this little classic? Here's the buttons. Obviously you have the indicating light here which flashes up on the top here. You have the volume rocker, which is here. You have, here's the charging port here. Let's just show you that a minute. Show you the charger. Here's the charger, guys. And here's the end. Show you it go in. There we are. It's a charger. This one is actually unlocked to all networks. This is the first one will work on all networks, apart from a free network. It won't work on free network. I tried it. It's the battery, which works fine. And we have the particulars. But unfortunately, guys, some of the information there is all scratched away. Right, let's put a SIM card in him then. Let's have a look. Put my orange SIM card in there. 3G orange SIM card. There we go. And if we power him on, which is the power button is located here. So we hold him in for a couple of seconds, light will flash, and it will come on. Search in a minute. Just let that come up. You know, look, this is the T20e. There you are, it's all up and ready. It's all ready, guys. So let's have a look at the menu. Let's check out the ringtones, is it? If we go on to the right, we need settings, press yes. So, and scroll down, sound and alerts, yes. Ring of volume, no, we don't want that. Ringing signals, that's the one we want. That one, yes. Voice calls, yep. Let's start from, hang on, start from number one. Start from number one. Nothing on them ones. Just double check. And there you are, guys. Go back off there now. Now let's try to ring him then. So we close that up. Just try to ring him now. Doesn't matter if you see the number, guys, it's just a test SIM card. So here we go. And there we are, guys. That is the Ericsson T20e. I'd like to thank you for watching as usual, and I will be coming back pretty soon with another video, so please be sure to keep an eye out, and if you like my channel, guys, please subscribe. I will be very much appreciated, and yeah, thanks guys, and bye!